You hear surgeons talking about being revision experts. What does that mean? And is it a real thing? And honestly, it is. Revisions are hard, revisions are complicated, and there's a lot that goes into it. Listen, surgery is hard. Anytime you do an operation for the first time, you have to think about a lot of things that will allow the surgery to be done right and to be done in a way that will deliver a consistent result safely to a patient and make them happy with that result for the long term. But listen, unfortunately, it doesn't always happen that way. Things can go wrong, either through bad luck or, unfortunately, sometimes through bad surgical technique. So if things happen that a patient needs a revision, you gotta go into it with a lot of extra care and, importantly, a lot of experience, because you need to know what is, number one, the right way to do any operation for the first time. You need to know what are all the different ways that this operation can go wrong. You need to know what can happen even normally or abnormally in the long term that may cause problems with what patients don't like. And importantly here, you need to know all the tools, all the tricks, all the approaches to fix those sometimes very rare and really complicated issues. In my experience, that comes with experience. That comes with doing the first time operation a lot. That comes with seeing what happens over time, and that comes with just fixing. I will admit, I have my own complications. Every surgeon out there does. And because of my experience, I have been referred a lot of patients who've had some sometimes very challenging and very unfortunate complications that need a lot of care and thought to manage. So when you seek a surgeon to fix a complication that's happened, you gotta go with someone who, of course, hits those basics, right? Board certified by the American Board of Plastic Surgery, someone who has a proven track record of results, good reviews, good experience. They show you those results. And importantly, you gotta have someone who you connect with and you are given the confidence that they can fix your problem and take you beyond the place that you are and get you back on that road to a nice result that you're happy with and will be happy with for the long term.